Hello, this is Shankar, and today I'm going to talk about a very important aspect. And a lot of followers have asked me to tell about career, how to see career in an horoscope. Now, career to be seen as can only be seen if you show me a chart, because there are a lot of things which involves in a career. I mean, how the career will do, what the person will do, etc., etc. But here I'll try to tell you about what you can see the level of a person and what kind of job he would do as far as careers is concerned. And of course, when you have to look at career in details, and you go to the D10 chart, and then you have to get into the nakshatras, you have to get into the dasha. I also use Jamni. I mean, so many things have to be seen when you have to see career. And for that, you need to either send a query to me or consult me. My mobile number is 98187-33000. 9818. WhatsApp message there would be good. But let me start on career. The most important planet for career is Saturn. ये एक planet है, खाली Saturn को देखकर आप बता सकते हैं कि आदमी का किस लेवल का आदमी है. What will be his career? Where will he go? Now, Saturn in 3 houses: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. मेष राशि, सिंह राशि और Sagittarius में Saturn does not do well. अगर इन राशियों में आपका Saturn है तो दब जाता है. It does not give its full results. You can say the person would be average or below average if Saturn is in these planets, in these houses. Now, when Saturn is in fixed signs like 2 Taurus, 6 Virgo Kanya, 10 Capricorn, excellent. अगर Saturn इन तीनों घरों में है, टॉरस में है, विर्गो में है, कैप्रिकॉर्न में है, यानी आपके वृषभ में है, कन्या में है और मकर में है, excellent. He will do well. Career will be more than not only average, will be slightly above average. You will be sure about it. He will do well in life. When Saturn is in 3, that is Mithun, that is also known as Gemini, in Libra and in Aquarius. हिंदी में होगा आपका 3, 7 and 11 in terms of numbers. That is Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. It is exalted in Libra. Saturn is exalted in Libra. So whenever it is in these signs also, Saturn will do well. But here the person would be in a kind of a communication kind of a job. He will be dealing with people, talking to people, communication, 3 C's, communication, computer and contacts. Whenever Saturn is in Gemini, it is in Libra and it is in Aquarius, he will be dealing with the 3 C's of life: contact, communication, computers. Similarly, when Saturn is in Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, here a person will be, energy will be low. His energy will be low. His Mars will not be very effective. His energy will be low. He will be dissipating energy. जो चाहेगा वो नहीं होगा. So Saturn in these 3, it's low energy, low level and low level jobs. If he is in marketing, he will not be the head of a marketing. He will be a sales representative. If he is in sales, he will be a sales representative. He will not start as a sales manager or area manager. He will start as a small sales representative if Saturn is in, say, 159. However, the same Saturn is in 2, 6, 10, that is Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. The person will be in a very good position, in a kind of a management position where he will be sitting and telling. He could be even a clerk in a government office, because a lot of other things are also there. But वो किसी कुर्सी पे बैठ के कुछ बोल रहा होगा, एक ऐसा काम कर रहा होगा which is कोई ध्येय है, कोई उसका उद्देश्य है. So that is how Saturn behaves in Taurus, in Taurus, in your Virgo and Capricorn. He is sitting and telling, he is commanding. वो अगर RTO ऑफिस में है तो RTO ऑफिस में बैठकर वो ट्रांसपोर्ट का कुछ देख रहा है, कर रहा है, काम है, गंभीर काम, serious work. And Saturn, when it is in 3, 7, 11, that is when it is in Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, he will be, as I told you, in contact, in connections, computers and contacts, which are very important these days. आजकल बहुत important होंगे तीनों से. When Saturn is in Cancer, in Capricorn and Pisces, then Saturn tends to become a philosopher. People could be in mimicry, acting, philosophy, spirituality. Now, positive spirituality or negative spirituality, I can't say. Maybe in the world of business, in the world of occult, those kinds of things Saturn will promote. Now, this is how you have to see Saturn. So, Saturn is one planet which is very important for profession. So, first you see the sign. Which sign it is in, which Rashi it is in. राशि से ही आपको पता लग जाएगा कि सैटर्न में क्या है. तो मेरे हिसाब से 1, 5 और 9 मतलब एरीज, लियो एंड सैजिटेरियस में सैटर्न इतना अच्छा नहीं होता है. सिमिलरली सैटर्न व्हेन इट इज इन कैंसर, द 4th राशि, 4 कैंसर, योर स्कॉर्पियो एंड पाइसेस, वहां भी सैटर्न इतना अच्छा नहीं करता, क्योंकि दीज आर, सैटर्न इज नॉट गुड फॉर द मटेरियल पार्ट. एटलीस्ट सैटर्न जब भी कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस में होगा तो आदमी का फिलोसफर टाइप बनाएगा, ऑकल्ट में अच्छा करेगा, एस्ट्रोलॉजी में अच्छा करेगा. सैटर्न इन कैप्रिकॉर्न, आई हैव सीन पीपल आर गुड इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी, और सैटर्न इन पीसेस आल्सो हैव सीन पीपल गुड इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ऑकल्ट, फिलोसफी, लिबरल आर्ट्स भी आजकल चल गया. सो देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोफेशंस, फोटोग्राफी, दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स ही कुड बी गुड एट. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट यू सी सैटर्न वेयर इट इज. देन यू हैव टू सी सैटर्न का जो लॉर्ड है, जो मालिक है सैटर्न का. सपोज सैटर्न इज इन एक्सॉल्टेड इन लिब्रा. नाउ वी में से बड़ा बढ़िया सैटर्न है, एक्सॉल्टेड है. बट अगर उसका मालिक है, वो मालिक शुक्र है, एंड इफ दैट लॉर्ड जिस घर में शनि बैठा है, अगर उसका मालिक वीक है, then Saturn will not give good results. So the dispositor should not be in the 6th, 8th, 12th. The dispositor should not be 6th, 8th, 12th. Whenever Saturn का dispositor is in अपने से 6th, 6, 8, 12 जाएगा, वो अच्छा रिजल्ट नहीं देगा. However, it will give very good results if it is in Kendra and Trikona. The depositor is in Kendra or Trikona, it will give good results. Even when the depositor is in 11th, it will give good results. 11th, the 3rd, fairly above average results. So the only issue which you should see is कि जहाँ बैठा है Saturn, उसका जो मालिक है should not be in the 6th, 8th, 12th house. If it is 6th, 8th, 12th house, आदमी का profession को down कर देता है. It reduces the whole profession. So one is which sign Saturn is. Second, you see where the depositor is of Saturn. Then we come to the third thing is that Saturn relationship with other planets. अगर Saturn के आगे मैं कहता हूँ राहु, केतु are the 2 planets जिससे Saturn अपना काम कराता है. If Saturn is there and Ketu is after Saturn, मतलब समझ लीजिए आपका एरीज या मतलब टॉरस में भी Saturn है, जहां मैं अच्छा कहता हूं Saturn को, उसके आगे केतु है, that is the north node. If Ketu is there, then what happens is it reduces the impact of Saturn, because Saturn is also a slow moving planet and Ketu is a planet जो कहता है कि यार हटो यार, let's leave. It is a planet of detachment. तो आपका प्रोफेशन जो है वो इट विल ओनली पिक अप आफ्टर सम टाइम. सो व्हेनेवर, एज पर द भृगु नाडी प्रिंसिपल आल्सो एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हॉरोस्कोप्स आई हैव सीन, व्हेनेवर केतु, Saturn is there and Ketu is next to it, person will struggle in life, and it is only after the age of 30 that he will find settlement. Whatever horoscope, if Saturn is there and then उसके आगे केतु है, it is a problem, settlement is late. If Saturn is there and then Rahu is after that, person will rise, because Rahu तो कहता है यार let's go, करो यार, मैं बैठा हूँ, मेरा दिमाग है, I want to do something, and Saturn says comes, meets Rahu, let's do it. Person rises very well, he'll do very well in life. So these 2 things you have to see. Now Saturn has got 2 enemies which are very bad, which create problem. One is Sun and the other is Moon. Whenever Saturn is in conjunction with Sun or aspected with Sun or Moon, it will create problems. But here also, आप ये बस सोचिए कि Saturn सूर्य के साथ है तो खराब कर देगा, या Saturn मून के साथ है तो खराब कर देगा. Saturn, when it is with Sun, it will spoil your father's life, things of the father, because that is the Karak. Whenever it is with Moon, it will spoil things with your mother. When Saturn is Sun, आपके अंदर के सोल के आत्मा को खराब कर देगा. सो यू मे बी अ पर्सन हु इज अ सेल्फिश पर्सन, मीन पर्सन, हु कुड बी उसका हिम्मत ना हो, he may not have the guts. Saturn when it is moon, it will vitiate your mind. आपका थिंकिंग प्रोसेस खराब कर देगा. बट Saturn with Sun could be a politician also, could be a government officer also, but the thinking would be like that. Saturn with Moon is becoming very important these days because Moon is about communication, and when Saturn joins with Moon, it leads to mass communication. I mean, dealing with people. So Saturn, Sun, Saturn, Moon, the way people analyze it, वो गलत तरीके से एनालाइज करते हैं. हरदम खराब नहीं होता, हरदम अच्छा भी है, खराब भी है. किस एस्पेक्ट में अच्छा है, किस एस्पेक्ट में खराब है, देयर आर अबाउट 32 to 36 things which have to be seen. Don't outright say that they are wrong, but yes, Saturn is inimical to Sun, Saturn is inimical to Moon. It will create problems for the father, it will create problems for the mother. But Saturn, Moon, I've seen people going into the field of mass communication. Saturn with Sun, I've seen people going to the government jobs, but not very high government jobs. So, and also Saturn, then you come with to other planets like Venus and Mercury. They are friends of Saturn. And whenever Saturn and Venus are together, Saturn and Mercury are together, it gives you wealth and intellect. Saturn and Venus is wealth, and whatever Venus talks, Saturn and Mercury is about intelligence, it's about communication, it's about day-to-day life. So Saturn, Mercury, and Saturn, Venus always do well. So you have to see the conjunction, which I've told you broadly about these planets, they are in conjunction. Now, whenever you have to see Saturn, Saturn is a 30-year planet. So it fixes, it gives you a trend for first 30 years and then for the next 30 years. So in Bhrigu Nadi principle, the Bhrigu technique, which I follow a lot and which is also akin to Lal Kitab and various other Keralite system which I've read, Saturn moves in 30 years and keeps on touching planets. So every 2.5, 3 years, it will give a result depending upon where the Saturn is placed. Suppose the first 30 years you have Saturn in Taurus. So Saturn in Taurus and the aspects of Saturn will tell you आपका अगले 30 साल कैसे रहेंगे generally. But अब उन 30 साल में क्या होगा, what is going to happen in those 30 years will depend on the movement of Saturn and which planet it touches in your natal chart as well as in your transits. So that is a complex subject and that requires a lot of deep study. So with this, I'll end my video telling you the importance of Saturn and also some pointers about Saturn. Anything else, you have to come to me to consult me or you can send a query. You can send a query to my WhatsApp message 9818733000 and I would answer it. But this is a science which is a kind of a research for me. I've also written a book on Rahu. Please do read it. It is through Prabhat publication. There is a lot of work which has gone into it. It is a thing which is very different and talks things in a very different way on how Rahu is important in our life and how it governs as Yama, how it governs even our direction and the movement we do. So this book is available in Prabhat publication. If you don't get it, let me know about it. It's also there on Amazon. Please do read it. With this, I end my video and you can always connect with me. And I hope I do justice to this science and whatever I get from this science, I use it for good purpose. Thanks. Bye for now.